Chance? Ba't ang dami niyo pang gising? Sali kami. Hindi ate, mag-chef ako ngayon at ko ano ako. Your baker girlfriend. Ganyan lang siya. 2:00 na may energy. Huy, kakagising ko lang. Kaya hindi na ako makakatulog. Kaya, since hindi ako makatulog at kakagising ko lang, gagawa tayo ng Mango, Graham, Float, Biscoff, Lotus. At ito yung nag-iisang cooking ina, Precious Cooks. Ganon. The Pussy Cooks. The Pussy loves cooks. Because pussy is precious, right? Right? So, let's start it! Guys, eto, hindi ako nakagawa ng Mango Graham nung New Year kasi nagkaubusan ng Graham bakla. Ate, sinugod ko na talaga lahat. Ate, pumunta na ako ng SNR, ng Robinsons, ng mga marketplace, ng everything. Ate, ubos talaga lahat ng Grahams bakla. Wala akong makitang Grahams. Kaya, ayun. Yung nabili ko lang, kompleto na ako sa gamit. Meron akong kondensada, meron akong cream, meron akong mangga bakla. Bumili ako ng 15 mangga. Pero walang mango, Graham. Walang Graham. So, ano yon? Skyflakes na lang talaga sana yung ilalagay ko. Kasi sabi ko, fine. After New Year ko na lang siya gawin. So, ngayon, finally, kumpleto na ang ating mga... Anong Tagalog ng ingredients? Mga recados. Mga recados ni Precious. Kumpleto na at may mangga na tayo! Andito na. Ay, may mangga naman talaga. May ano na tayo! Crackers! And hindi ko to siya na order. Pinadala lang to sa akin ni Mama Mark Ranke. Thank you so much. Pinadalan mo ako ng Grahams at pabulok na tong mga mangga ko dito. Kaya disclaimer lang, mamaya baka iba siya yung mangga ko. Ate, pabulok na talaga siya. Kasi matagal ko nang binili to. Ano pa, December 30. Bakla, naubos lahat ng lahat ng Mango, Graham, ng Graham, naubos lahat ng Graham crackers. But anyways, we're complete right now. Sangkap pala, hindi Ricados. Sorry. Sa mga nagre-reklamo dyan, kayo na lang gumawa, bakla. Nag-intro pa nga ako dito eh. Okay, so let's have an ingredients check. First is... Sana secret to, OMG. Sana secret. Tapos, we have... Alaska condensate. Ba't ang dami? Ang dami kong condense. Kailangan natin ng condensed milk. Tapos, hala! Ba't ang dami kong binili? Tapos, mangga, syempre! Tapos, wait. Chinil natin, kailangan din ng cream! At last but not the least, ay, sorry. Kung gusto mo ng maarte, kagaya ko, Biscoff, Lotus, just for the clout. Para lang talaga sabihin na, uy, social. Uy, pero actually, guys, in-order ko lang to dati kasi nagbe-baking ako dati. Tapos sabi ko, sobrang dami kong Biscoff. So like, gamitin ko na lang siya. Eto na lang binili ko. What? Mango Graham? Mango Biscoff? Because like we have budget. Filingera, bakla. Just for the clout lang. Just for the clout. Okay, parang okay na, okay na, okay na. Welcome to Cooking Ina with Precious Batong Bakal. Yes. Okay, ano magandang kanta para sa ano? Dapat Christmas kasi magki-Christmas na ulit eh. So like pa-order ng Bicol Express. Bakla, nasa maling live ka, bakla. Okay, first and foremost, kailangan natin mag-sanitize. Guys, 364 days left na lang. 362 days left na lang. Pasko na! Kaya gagawa tayo ng Mango Graham. Tsaka, pwede mo din lagyan ng black pepper yung Mango Grahams mo. Para naman may savory factor siya, diba? Parang gusto ko uminom na tong ano. Atake siya. Oh, so paano to? 3! Kailangan ko ng 3. Alexa! Alexa, can you give me the tray, Alexa? This is smart home kasi to. Alexa, can you give me the tray, please? Oh! Thank you so much, Alexa. You're so good. Kailangan natin ng paglagyan. Kasi minsan hindi natin alam kung saan tayo lulugar. Guys, at dahil andito kayo, mamimili ako ng one lucky winner na papadalan ko ng aking Mango Biscoff Lotus Graham Float. Pa-advance Merry Christmas gift ko na yan sa inyo. Hala! Ate Lefulef, I miss you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. Mag-type lang kayo Mine Graham para mabigyan ko kayo. Para ipag-grab ko to sa inyo. Available po siya sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Medyo pag sa Mindanao ko na to ipadala, medyo may pagka lasang ano na siya, lasang maasim-asim na siya. Pero okay lang yan. Kasi masarap pa rin siya at Mine Graham, please, I love you. Hala, bakit nag-I love you agad? Ano ba yan? Bagong taon pa lang, may plot twist na agad. Ano, ayoko. Mamaya ka na mag-I love you sa akin pag December 31, 2026. 2025 pala. Okay, let's start. Ang dami kong dada, bakla! Let's go. Yes. I-start natin siya by... Pinigera kasi ako. Wait. By putting some cream. All-purpose cream. Para sa mga taong hindi alam yung purpose nila sa buhay. Kailangan natin to. Okay. Since medyo marami-rami to. Alexa? Can you give me the scissors, Alexa? Hala, inutusan ako ni Alexa at dito daw. Dito pala siya. Sorry. Sorry, Alexa. Minsan kasi talaga si Alexa parang tinatamad din siya. Nilagay yata to sa freezer. Bakla, parang ice cream na siya. Tingnan mo, ang tigas niya. Hala, sabi ko sa baba lang ilagay. Si Alexa talaga. Si Alexa Elizabeth Pilapil talaga. Okay. Hala, tingnan you guys! Parang hindi naman na to ano. Cream pa ba to? At dahil dyan, super thick yung ating eksena ngayon. Super thick yung atake ng ating cream. So like, ilalagay natin. Alo, bumuo-buo na siya. Ganito ba siya? Talaga? Okay na yan. Okay na yan. At least may cream. Buti nga yung cream may purpose. Ikaw, may purpose ka ba dyan sa bahay niyo? Okay na yan. Wag na tayo maarte. Mine po si Brent. Ay, Mango Graham po yung binibigay ko, hindi po yung asawa ko. Ha! Okay. Kailangan natin ng 4 kasi 4 yung nagmamahal sa akin. Charot. Uy, ang landi nitong batang to. Kailangan natin ng 4 na all-purpose cream kasi 4 yung bibigyan natin. Okay, 1 done. Dalian natin bakla kasi baka ano. Hala, bakit nandito kayo 10K bakla? Hindi ba kayo marunong gumawa ng Mango Graham sa bahay niyo? Ate, parang may something talaga sa kanya. Okay lang, kami-kami naman kakain ito. Yung asawa ko, yung anak ko. Brent, ba't kising ka pa? Ay, hindi pala, sorry. Sorry. Nagpa-fantasy lang. Ate, tingnan niyo, parang shave ice na atake niyo, bakla. Okay pa ba to? Okay pa ba to? Ate, parang hindi na siya cream. Halate, parang cheese na siya. Pa-cheese na siya. Chareng. Sorry. Sobrang ingay ni bakla, baka. Ate, hindi ko alam if... Hoy, nag-sanitize po ako ha. Ba't yung i-judge dyan? Okay. Ba't 3 lang to? Ha? Ay, andito pala yung isa. Sorry, yung sabi ko kasi i-chill ko yung i-chill ko yung cream. Bakla sobrang chinil naman, parang nag-chill siya sa frozen. Parang nag-chill siya sa freezer. This is pangatlo. Okay lang yan, te. May Mango Graham, may rules. Mama Melchis, thank you so much. Bawing-bawi ko yung pambili ko ng ng Lotus. Hala, parang ang dugyot ko na. Wait lang, mawawalan ako ng viewers nito. Huy, ako ha. Nag-alcohol ako before ako nag-start. Like, literal na nag-alcohol ako before ako nag-start. Chareng! Joke lang. Ang ingay ko naman. Baka i-report na ako ng kabilang unit. Wait lang, I cannot. And last, eto na yung screen record nyo, bakla. Eto lang na part. First of all, put an all-purpose cream chilled. You cut it. And, eto po yung consistency niya dapat, okay? Yes, perfect. That is it. Kasi pag namuumuo na siya, maybe siguro nag-over-freeze yung cream nyo and hindi talaga siya recommended if ganon. So, dapat perfect talaga yung paglagay mo ng cream at perfect po yung mga ingredients at parang ipiga-piga mo siya na para ba namang naglalaba siya rin. Okay na siya. Piniga ko kasi don't waste food, you know. It's 2025 da. Okay, after you clean your mess, and, yes. Maglagay na tayo ng ating kondensada. Ilagay ba siya? Or, Alexa, wag ka dito mag-ano, Alexa. Iano muna pala siya, paikot-ikutin kagaya ng ginawa ni Brent sa akin. Hala, Chares! Eme lang. Paano ba to? Tama ba to? Okay. Hala, ayan pa, may pasinghot pa siyang nalalaman. At wait lang! May ano nga, may rules. Paikutin ko lang siya ng very slight. Huwag ka kayong ano dyan. Masyado kayong... Ganon ka umikot, bakla. Okay. Lagyan mo ng condensed milk. Favorite ko talaga yung mga milk, lalo na pag medyo malapot. Condensed kasi ito yung nabibigay ng sweetness sa relasyon yung mapait. Okay. Walang tansya dito kasi iba-iba kada bahay. So, it depends on your taste. So, ako, usually, sa bahay namin, yung taste ko ay isang matangkad na pogi, na academic achiever, na medyo aesthetic ang Instagram namin. Gusto ko rin minsan yung bad boy na red flag na paikot-ikutin mo siya. Pagkatapos kanyang paikot-ikutin, tikman mo rin. Sabi nga ni Lisa, taste me. Ay, kiss me pala. Gagamitin ko yung dalawang ano para hindi mapanis at baka magrereklamo yung mga titikim nito. Sasabihin nilang, oh my God, nailaway mo na yan. So like, titikman natin siya using this one. Ano. Medyo kulang sa tamis. Ganyan talaga pag 3 years na kayo. Joke lang. Alam, may pasinghot pa talaga siya. Again, go. Lagyan pa natin yan. Guys, again guys, mamimili ako ng 1 lucky viewer na papadala nito. So like, ate parang sobrang tamis na. Gusto ko na sobrang tamis. Namiss ko na yung sweetness namin dalawa. Ano ba yan? Magre-relapse tayo habang gumagawa. I-whisk mo lang siya. Sobrang simple lang nito, lalo na sa mga taong sobrang hilig magpa-ikot. Tsaka, paikot-ikutin mo lang ng ikot-ikot mo lang hanggang sa tumigas siya. I mean, tumigas yung consistency niya, hindi na siya medyo malapot. Dapat medyo like foamy. Okay? So, paulit-ulitin mo lang, titigas din yan. Ha? Paulit-ulitin mo yan yung ikot, titigas din siya. Sasabayan mo rin minsan. Faster! Tama na ba to? I don't know if I'm doing it right. But let us check. Hoy, eto yung tinikman ko ha. Tingnan nyo naman. Pwede na akong mag-business at gumawa ng mango graham chips. Chares lang, chares lang, chares lang. O hindi ako tamad. Hindi ako tamad Sir Josh ha. Gumawa nga ako ng mango float sa madaling araw eh. Tamad pa ba yan? Last na talaga. Last na talaga. Okay. Okay na ata to. Lasang di na siya babalik. Ano next? Mag-assemble ka na para matapos na tong relasyon niyo. Ayoko na guys. Kayo na lang mag-assemble. Okay na pala ako. Huwag mo sanang limutin. Tapos, yung gagawin natin, i-open yung evaporada, guys. Ano ba to? Pwede ba to sa live? Isang sisig po dito sa unit, Alexa, can you open this? Sabi ko sa inyo, smart home ako bakla. Smart home. Meron niyang tatanggalin muna natin to. Kainis. Asa na nga tayo? Sorry. Dapat cooking, lang to. Dapat cooking... Ang beer na to, ang pag-ibig ko. Tapos, ihanda mo na yung evaporada. Kasi magcha-champorado tayo. Walang evaporada. O bakit? Kanya-kanya tayo dito, ti. Ate, ihanda mo yung eva. Siyempre, hindi ko ito idadagdag sa sa seasoning. Para to sa champurado, bakla. Okay, since andito na tayo sa evaporada natin, pwede ka na maghanap ng iba. Ang evaporada, ginagamit lang pang dip. Para sa mga mahihilig sumausaw sa relasyon ng iba. Oh, hey, Jaren! Are you there? Totoong Jaren ba yan? Oh, I think it's not. Is it? Is it you? Or is it me? Oh, it is! Hey, Jaren! You wanna taste my mango float? I will make it for you and I will deliver it to you, Jaren. You want? Okay, let's make a mango float, Biscoff Lotus for Jaren. This is not just a graham. But this is a Biscoff. It is 400 pesos each. It is medyo kind of social. So it's for you. Okay? Okay. Since Jaren is there, we need to be social. So like, oh my God. Okay. Okay, since Jaren is here. The next step is you will put the grahams. We will open the grahams. Stop! You're making me kilig. Ay, sorry. And say. Ganon ka maglagay, bakla. You will spread first the cream. So that it will stick to one. Hindi na maghanap ng iba. Okay. Jaren, I will teach you how to doggy. I will teach you how to make a mango float, a perfect mango float to ever exist in the whole wide world. Okay. Just tell me if you want to be delivered. Say what? Say what? Okay, and then we will put this to the deep. Ay, sorry. Medyo makalat yung tea. Jaren, I alcohol, okay? So this is sanitized. This has nothing to do with, it is 99.9% germ-free. I'm the 0.1% germs free. That's why I put the evaporated milk. I dip it in the evaporated milk so that it will soften. It will soften the hearts of the Filipino people. Okay. Hala! Paano ba to? Oh, sorry. Kailangan malinis. Bakla naka... You will dip it so that it will add a mixture and it will be the perfect timing. Just like you, perfect timing. Okay. Bakla nanginginig ako, te. Nanginginig ako. Parang challenge to sa bahay ni Kuya. See? It okay. Paglagay ka lang, te. Invite Jaren. No way. No, I'm shy. He might. Yes, we will be shy. But let me just chit chat with you because I never spoke to you. Oh, sorry. I'm not into short guys. Nag-send ng gift. Yes, gifter ko lang yan siya. Guys. Ganyan lang ka-norm. Hala! Wait lang, nakakahiya! Oh! Hi!
What's up, Esnir?
Sup, dude? How are ya?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, bro. Bro, if it's okay with you, I'm gonna make a mango float to you.
That's actually one of my favorite desserts.
Weh!
No joke, no joke.
Eme-eme ka na naman.
No eme.
Ano eme-eme? Okay. So, are you in Manila right now?
Yes, back in Manila.
Yeah, I will send this to you and your family, okay?
Thank you. Did you sanitize it with alcohol?
No! Do you think I'm dirty?
Sinabi mo yan kanina.
Yes, and actually the very secret ingredient right now is we put alcohol to the mango float so that it's
Wow, delicious.
delicious. Yeah, right. Okay, do you know how to make this?
No, I don't know how to make mango
Okay,
float.
okay. So just listen, okay? And
Okay,
observe.
okay,
Because this might be another task in the house. If so, I will train you. Okay.
okay.
First is you put a first layer of graham cracker.
Okay, nice.
Nice. Uh-huh. And you put a mixture of a cream and condensed milk.
I see. Nice.
You see?
I see.
You feel me? I feel ya. And then you will spread it.
Where's the mangoes?
Oh, just wait. Oh my. No, no. Shh. You will just listen muna, okay?
Alright,
You
got
will
it.
first put the float. How will it float if you don't have a cream?
Okay.
Yeah.
How
So like
how will it mango if you don't have the mango?
this is just a float. This is not a mango float. This is just a float.
Wala bang manga?
Ay, meron mangga. Gusto mo? Padalhan pa kita dyan eh. No! Kainin mo lahat. Chares. Joking. I'm just joking. You know.
Why are you making mango float at 2:39 a.m.?
Oh! I forgot to tell you I'm from USA.
Where?
Yes. Today is morning here.
Oh, you're in the US right now, for real?
Yeah, right. Who the hell? Charas. I mean, who will make mango float early in the morning? Like, we don't do that.
Are you actually in the US?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah. I'm in the
Oh,
neighbor of the USA. I'm near USA.
where?
USB. Yeah,
But
actually, I'm so sorry.
you're
Don't
in
judge a
Manila.
person by its book, okay? I woke up and I chose violence. Chares. I woke up and I chose to make this one.
I see. Nice.
Yes, because I remember it's your birthday, so I will give this to you.
My birthday was ages ago.
Oh, how old? I mean, when? This is
October.
no, this is just like my advanced birthday gift to you.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay, after you put some mixture,
Yep.
you will put the mangoes, okay?
Yep.
So I have a lot of mangoes here. Why are you still awake?
That's a good question. I'm
Uh-huh.
actually in the UK.
You are?
No, I'm joking.
How can I send this to you? I will send this to you through Lala Move, huh?
Lala moved to the UK.
Yeah. You just wait. It will arrive 2 weeks after. But it's still fresh. Like me.
I'm joking. I'm in Manila.
I will put a lot of mangoes for you.
Okay, finally the mangoes are in.
Yes. You put it in a chronological order and in an
Did you
alphabetical order. What?
see? Did you wash your hands?
Hello? Feeling yes, I do.
I'm
Why
joking.
are you having trust issues to me?
No, I'm just kidding.
I'm not a kid anymore.
I'm just
Oh,
adulting.
yes, you need to. You need to grow up. Joking. That was just joking, okay. I'm so happy that oh I don't know how to say it in English, but I'm watching you.
You're watching me?
Yes. In the house.
I was
Yeah.
watching your episode, your series too. When's the next episode out?
Eme.
No, for real, for
You know
real.
you eme me.
No, Eme.
Oh, the next episode depends if I
Yeah.
have a budget. And depends
Uh,
if you're G. Hala! Charis.
oh.
Yeah, alam mo guys, Jaren is so very mabait because he sent me a photo watching my video and I was like,
Oh yeah.
yeah, I'm happy.
Actually, I saw you. Did you say that on live? Because I saw a video of that on here on TikTok.
Oh no, that's not me. That's Precious. I have different characters.
Alter ego.
Yeah, so that's not me. If you saw one, then that's not my personality.
Mm,
Yes.
see.
See, I put a lot. You saw? You saw?
Yeah, I see.
You see saw?
See, so.
Oh yeah. So Jared, do you know Tagalog words since you're here for how many months na?
Yeah, I mean, marami na akong alam.
Clay! Okay, magtatagalog na tayo ngayon. But the twist is
Sige.
I will say it English to you since I'm not fluent in English and then you say it to me in Tagalog.
Okay, got it. Wait, that's hard.
Why?
I'm not amazing at
No,
Tagalog.
you know what's more hard? The task in PBB. So like this is just a basic to you.
True.
Yes, this is just a basic necessity to you.
Someone commented, ang daming mangga.
Yes, you want mango, right? I'll give you mangoes. I will not just give you mango. This is not a regular mango float. This is a mango float. Yeah. Anyways, you don't get to who comment that.
I don't know.
My mango float, my rules.
True.
True. Okay, but since you're special, Jaren,
Yep.
I will put some Biscoff to your mango float.
Nice.
Yes. But this is my mango float is 1,000 pesos. Okay, this is not free.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then you will shoulder also the delivery fee.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I see.
Yeah, it's nothing free right now. There's nothing.
I thought it was a birthday gift, but biglang may bayad.
Oh, I don't. Even if it's your birthday, I don't. Just support my business, okay? just, just support.
Just support.
Yes, just support my business. Okay. I will put this, ha?
Okay, go ahead.
Ay! Sorry. Oh, you're so special. Do you know that this is kind of pricey, but I'll give it to you more pricier.
What if I never receive this? I feel like you're just gonna eat it.
Oh, no, I am not that. I'm not that kind of person. I'm next question, please. I mean, I am true to my words. Yay.
You
Yeah.
were telling me open cam.
Go.
Oh, it's like 2:46 a.m. I don't think.
Oh, it's 2:46 there in the Philippines.
Yeah, you should know. Just check the top of your phone.
No, I'm at the UK.
I thought you were in USB.
Oh, I'm in the USB. Jaren, I ubos the whole ano for you. Look, oh. This is by far the very priciest. Look.
I think this is like the longest time anybody's taken to make mango float.
Nagreklamo ka pa. Ikaw na
If
lang
this was a
kanina.
task in Kuya's house, wala kang budget next week.
Kuya, you adjust. Okay? Kuya, pumunta ka sa living room. Have
It's
you
near
tried?
from the confession room.
No. Si kuya yung papupuntahin ko sa living room.
Wow.
Kuya, pumunta ka sa living room. Ganon. Okay. And after, we'll just put another layer.
How many
Hey,
calories does that have?
will you receive this? Huh?
Or will you send it?
Through ano, delivery courier. Courier? Tama ba yun? Am I right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I'm always right.
Right.
Joking.
How many calories does that have? Do you know? Estimated calories.
Calories? Um uh it's sweet.
It's what?
Why would I measure? Do I look like a food nutritionist to you?
I don't know. Do you watch your calories or?
No, I don't watch my calories. I only watch my YouTube series. Hey, promotion.
Good one, good one, good one.
Yeah. But I think this is like only 40 calories.
That is such a lie.
No, yeah, because this is healthy.
Really?
Yeah, it's all vegan.
Is that condensed milk?
Yeah, but I only put small condensed milk only.
Yeah, but where does milk come from?
Oh, I graduated already. I have no time to accommodate your questions.
You said
So
it's vegan though.
milk come from this is tofu milk.
Ah,
Yeah, it's a soy.
akala ko tofu. Ba't naging soy?
Is tofu a soy?
No, tofu
Diba?
and soy milk are
Ay,
different.
diba? All this time I thought that the tofu is a soy.
Is tofu soy or I don't know.
Oh, but yes.
You're confusing me.
But that is it. It is what it is. Okay? IYKYKY.
YKYKY. You know?
Yeah, if you know.
If you know, you know.
Yeah, if you know, you know. If you know, you. Hey, we're almost done. You just watch me until I done at your no, so that you can watch me so that you
Right, yeah, got it,
so
got
that you're
it.
assured that it is 100% clean.
Okay. So you're gonna put you're gonna sanitize it after?
Yeah, I will put alcohol in it.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, right. Perfect. Have you tried making this one?
I've actually never tried making it. I've only eaten it.
Wow, and it's your favorite already?
Yeah.
Do you have mango float in the UK?
No, but my brother makes it sometimes.
Oh, do you have an older brother? Hello.
Yeah.
What?
Yes, I do.
Oh, hi. You know I love a London boy. I enjoy. They say home is where the heart is, but God, I love your brother. Chares! Oh, sorry, dude. Sorry, dude. So how old is your brother, dude?
23.
Oh, perfect. Just the perfect
How
timing.
old are you, Esne?
22.
Ah, well, my brother has a girlfriend, so you have some competition.
Guys, who wants this mango float? I will be giving away this one to another person, I think. Binasag mo naman ako. I don't care. Okay, stay strong to your brother and to your sister-in-law. At dahil dyan, Jaren, I will just put one mango to you and then I will
What? So you're gonna take out all the mangoes that you've
Yeah.
already put in?
Yeah. I will just put one mango na. Thing.
Pinapahirapan mo lang sarili mo.
Eh, Tagalog.
Great
I'm so
Tagalog. You see
proud.
that?
As a mother, I'm so proud.
I actually had to think about that sentence for like 1 minute before saying it.
Yeah, same. Cause you know I'm Bisaya.
Oh yeah, actually.
Yeah, right. That's why me and
Whereabouts?
Kai are same Bisaya, same face, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah daw. Narinig niyo yun? Yeah, right? Same
Wait, are
beauty.
you
Basta
Ceb-
Bisaya, guwapa. Like me.
Ah, are you Cebuano?
Huh?
Are you from Cebu?
No, I'm from Davao.
Ah,
Yeah. But all Bisaya are guwapa, so like no
yeah, true
wonder.
that.
No wonder mga ka-wonder. See? This is the mango float overload. For
That's a
you.
lot of mangoes.
Yeah. It's a lot, dude.
That's a lot.
It's a lot, dude. And then
Okay, now
for the final
more soy condensed milk.
no. Tama
I
ba?
thought it was vegan milk.
Ang daming question nitong batang to. Manood ka na lang.
Sige, sige.
Okay. Oh, I think this will be the very perfect mango float to ever exist.
Sure.
Look at it. Just look at it.
I am.
Ah, sorry. Why are you angry?
No, I'm not.
And then lastly, I will put this to you.
What's that?
It's a gray ham,
Okay.
but it's not color gray, so it's a brown ham. Sorry for that. It's 3 a.m. and I'm calling your name. Yeah, this is the last one
Is that the last layer?
for the London boy.
You should add like 2 more layers.
No! Ano libre na nga lang binibigay sa'yo? Nag-ano ka pa? Nag-request ka pa talaga. Yeah, I will add 2 more layers, but you should add 2K pesos.
Ang mahal naman ng mango float mo.
Because it's not just a regular mango float. It
What
is
makes
made
it
by
special?
the most beautiful person in the world.
Ah.
Yes. This
When will
is
I be receiving that one?
this is a precious float. Duh.
Precious float.
Yes.
Got it.
See? I made sure that it is clean and sanitized. It's the silence for me. Yeah. So do you have any poggy friends that you can reto to me?
Reto to you.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely.
Poggy London friends, okay?
Ah,
London
London friends. You
Yeah.
don't want Filipino friends?
Ano? No, I mean I'm tired of Filipino boyfriends, you know. Hala! Kasalanan mo talaga to, Jaren.
Bakit ano?
I forgot to dip it in the evaporated milk. You're distracting me. Like,
Why don't you just pour it on top?
no, you can't pour the evaporated milk. Ano to? Bilo-bilo. I think I will. Should I?
Yeah.
Or it's okay to you to not put it in the evaporated milk.
You should put it in the evaporated milk.
Okay, sir. Got that, sir. Copy. Why are you laughing?
Nothing.
Do I look like a laughable?
Nah.
Anyways, back to your kuya. So, like, how many years are they?
My brother and his girlfriend.
No, your brother and your sister. Chares. Yes.
I think maybe 3 years.
Oh, 3. Oh, that's kind of. It's kind of
I'm
hard
not. I'm
to.
not really sure.
It's kind of hard to ano ha. That's a great competitor ha. Chares. Okay, just tell them hi for me.
All right, I will do.
Oh, it's so yummy. Have you seen it?
What if I turn on my camera?
Okay. All this time you are just a fake Jaren? So hi. Oh, why are you using my filter? That is
What do
my
you mean?
filter. That is my filter. That is inspired to me. Si Jaren talaga. Oh, talaga.
How do you fix this? One sec.
Laro ka! Bako nilalaro sa umaga. Sorry guys, actually nag-FaceTime lang talaga kami.
Yeah, sorry guys
Just a
about
little
that.
catch up and keep up because for those who don't know, me and Jaren are like childhood best friends.
Yeah,
Yeah,
true.
we used to be neighbors there in the UK.
Where did I live?
What?
Do you remember where I
I'm
live?
sorry you're lagging. I can't hear you. Okay, and then lastly is you put I wanna put Biscoff spread.
Oh, if the camera goes on. Yup.
Oh,
What?
hey! Oh, are you the one on TV?
No, that's not
Hi, I'm
me.
a big fan with the
I
big
don't
eye.
know. Oh, camera's off again.
Why are you offing?
I'm joking.
Hi, I'm such a big fan. Nice meeting you.
It's like 3 a.m. Oh my gosh, actually.
Wait ka lang ha! Ito na, sir. This
This
is
is my
not
food.
this is not a PBB task, so I'll take my time. And even it's a task in the house, my task, my rules. So, kuya, just wait.
This is the slowest.
Slowest but prettiest. Right?
Yep, correct.
Right?
Yes, you're so
Very
right.
very good. It's a really nice decision that I BBS Jaren. Yes, in the Paymaya.
Oh, really?
Yeah, right. Like I guess. Charan! Of
I
course.
guess.
Okay, and the last one is we will pour some crushed Biscoff. Crushed one. Because you are a campus crush.
Turn on my camera.
Crush
Yeah, I'm
this.
watching now for real. I'm watching properly.
Yes. Let us crush this by using a food processor. See? I did not just manually crush it for you. You are that special to me. I bought a food processor for you.
Thank you so much.
Right. Okay. I'll just wash my hands so that you have no trust issues to me.
Okay.
What? Faster?
No, I didn't say anything. Nothing.
Ano? Faster?
Wala.
Okay.
I want to see what other filters they have on here.
Alexa, turn on the ano. Alexa? Alexa, can you turn on my food processor, Alexa? Ano ba to? Ba tama ba to? Oh.
So,
Hala! Bakit nagka-temple run ka na dyan?
tagal mo kasi.
Ay, such a Tagalog na. Oh, you're just have you played Temple Run before?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, those were the days, right? When I go to your neighborhood and when I go to your house, and then
What do you mean go to my neighborhood? I thought we were neighbors.
yeah, basically I go there because I have a lot of house in the UK. Remember?
Oh yeah, true. Guys, you know, Esnir is so rich. Super
Hey,
crazy.
let's keep that low key.
Oh, sorry guys.
You didn't hear anything.
Yeah, so rich, but he's trying to make me pay for this mango float. 3K though.
That's what you support business of a friend.
Oh yeah, support small businesses.
Alexa, can you help me here, Alexa? I don't know how. Okay, I will just grind it for you, okay?
Okay. I'm gonna leave in like 2 minutes.
What?
I'm gonna leave in like 2 minutes.
Okay, I will be
Okay,
fast.
dope. Okay, dope. Oh, this is the breadcrumb, the crumbs.
See? It's not processed. That's why it's a food processor.
That's the crumb.
What?
That's crumbs.
Ay, crumbs pala tawag. Bakla powder lang sa amin eh. Yeah, it's a Graham crumbs. Can we open this so that I can put na the ano? Okay, for the final touches, Jaren. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for joining me here at Precious Cooks. You know, you're my first ever
Thank you for
guest
having
here in
me.
my Precious Cooks. And I'm so happy that you made time to guest.
It has been an honor being
Honor?
on this show.
Like,
An honor.
look, I will put the crash.
The crash.
I will put the crumbs
Yeah, that's it.
because she ate and left no crumbs. Eh, she. Yes, and then lastly,
Yeah.
I think I'm just a perfect baker now. Please say hi to your mom. Nag-pause na siya. Ayan na. Okay, Jaren, this is your ano na Hala! Nag-offline na siya. Anyways, Jaren, this is your made with love mango float Biscoff Lotus. And yes. Okay lang na iniwan mo ako. Hindi, okay lang. Okay lang talaga. Ano, hindi ko na ito ipapadala sa'yo. Sayang talaga eh. Ako ginawa ko to for you. Tapos, iniwan-iwan mo ko na para ba namang chares. Guys, actually, thank you so much, Jaren. I appreciate your time and your effort for joining. And see you in the next one. Bye. Vlogger! See you in the next one. Bye. And thank you so much for the gift. Look, guys. Di pantay. Hindi na para mag-ano kayo. Kayo ba kakain? Hindi. And then we will put it in the fridge. We will put it in the foil. Lalagyan pa ba ito ng mangga sa taas? Lalagyan pa ba ito ng mangga sa taas? na ban? Oh, you ban? Why you ban? See, even TikTok cannot, ayoko nalagyan ng mangga sa taas. Okay na to. Sobrang daming mangga natin. But anyways, Jaren, if you're watching, say, just tell me if you want to be delivered. Okay? Yeah, but I think sobrang perfect na rito! Okay, we will we'll put some. Jaren, thank you so much for joining, Jaren. Love, 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 love you. Love you, bro, and love your bro. Joking. I was just joking. Ito naman, di naman na biro naman. Jar shoes la. Bakla, tama na. See? I sanitize it all too well. So, yeah. Kasali ba siya sa next episode? Depende, guys. Chares. We're mutuals and it's not there's nothing impossible. Huh? There's posible po. Pero mas pinakahalagahan ko po yung friendship namin, Tito Boy, kasi Oh, I forgot! Hala, paano to ngayon? Nadagdagan ko na. Ayan kasi nagpapadala sa pogi, bakla. Ay, lalagyan pa sana natin ng ng top coat na Biscoff. Alam mo yon? Yung parang i-melt ko to, tapos igaganon. Feeling ko okay pa. Igaganon ko lang, oh. Right? Okay. So, let us put this in a... Let's leave it. Paano na to? Bakit ako nag-i-English, bakla? Papainitin natin yung tubig, tsaka i-melt natin to. Okay? Okay. Go. Go! Yung task mo sa bahay ni Kuya. Go! Excuse me. OA na tawag dun, eh. Go! I-microwave mo na lang. Pwede pala yun. Guys, tinetest ko lang talaga kayo. Actually, alam ko naman, ma-microwave ko naman talaga siya. I'm just testing you. Kasi anong oras na? Lutang na tayong lahat. So, buti na lang talaga at hindi pa kayo lutang. Kasi, grabe. Same minds, ha? Same minds. How many seconds? How many seconds nga? Sasabog to, bakla. Eme na naman kayo. Sumasabog siya. Kayo talaga. Gusto niya talaga pasabugin yung bahay ko. Go. Maniniwala ako sa napanood ko to sa TikTok. Huwag kayong andyan. Bakla, eto na lang. Dito na lang ako mag-trust. Napanood ko sa TikTok. Bahala ka dyan. Ilagay mo na lang sa platito, pinag-ano nyo pa talaga ako, ganun. Ayoko lang ganun. Gusto ko yung hindi nakakatapak ng ibang tao. Hala. Ay po kay Katlong Yugto. Wag na daw. Uy! Uy! Ngayon lang nag-sink in sa akin! Na! Nakasama natin si Jared sa live. Intermission muna ako habang naghihintay. Huwag na kayo mag-away-away, yung official love team Jarnier na. Tama ba yung ano ko? Pinoy, ikaw ang Pinoy, ipakita sa mundo. Eto yung ano ko, bagong choreo ko dun, bakla. Dapat eto yung bagong ano. Say what? Pinoy, ikaw ang Pinoy, ipakita sa mundo. Ganon. Galing nyo po dalawa. Bakla kayo, mababan ka talaga. Huwag nyo ang ginaganyan-ganyan. Sa iba na lang kayo mag-comment ng ganyan. Diba? Mukha ba akong thirst trapper? Okay na ata siya. Kumukulo na ata siya kagaya ng dugo ko pag nakikita kita. Hala. Eme lang. Alas 3 na is near. O tapos, and then you will put it in a bowl. You will put it in a... Okay. And then you will put the Biscoff here. And then you will put this one. Hala, mamamelt ba to? Oh, no. I think you will put this one first. And then you will put a regular water. Bakla, parang mamamelt siya. But it's okay. Go, 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 go. Taas ni kuya, taas ni kuya. Go, 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 go. Kuya, nahirapan po ako dun sa bandang nag-balance po ako ng Biscoff. Pero, kinaya ko naman po, kuya. Ganon. Wrong. Bahala ka dyan. Bakla, ikaw na. Gumawa ka ng sarili mo. Gumawa ka ng sarili mong Graham's Day. Huwag ka mag-wrong dito. Mag-suggest kayo ng magandang name ng recipe to. What? Say what? Say what? Dapat ganon. Breaking PBB. Dapat ganun yung title. Ate, parang mas napagod pa ako kakasayaw kaysa sa kakagawa ng Graham. Oh, sorry. It's Biscoff Graham. What is the best? Mango Biscoff Float Overload Caramelized Drizzle. Ganyan. Ganyan yung title ng ano natin. Again, Mango Biscoff Lotus Float Caramelized Drizzle. Overload. Yun yung pangalan ng ating ano. No, Mango Precious ang pangalan nito is Precious Delights Mango Graham Biscoff Lotus Caramelized Drizzle Overload. Yan yung pangalan ng ating Jarnier's Graham. Ano ba yan? Okay, sige, sama ko na lang siya. Ang pangalan nito is Jarnier Mango Graham Biscoff Overload Caramelized Drizzle. Precious Cooker. Okay? Precious Cooker. See? So, it is now molten. Melted. Tama ba? But parang hindi ko siya makuha. Bakla ayaw. Oh. Parang ayaw niya pa mag-melt, ate. Okay, I guess we failed on our first task. Wait. I think kailangan ko pa siya dagdagan ng i-open ko siya. And then I will let the hot water evaporate and like I will melt it. Wait lang po kuya, wait lang po kuya, wait lang po kuya. Kuya, wait lang po. Silingera. Dapat ito na lang. Presenting! Wala pa. Hindi pa siya buo. Thank you so much, Ricey! Lagyan mo muna ng mangga. Bakla, ayoko na. Baka maubusan ako ng mangga dito. Ibibigay ko to kay Jaren. Ano, paano na lang kaya sa amin dito? Ano, wala na lang talaga. Bibigay ko na lang talaga lahat sa iba. Tapos yung sa sarili ko, wala akong matira. Kasi hindi nyo kasi gets eh. Noong 2024, binigay ko na lahat sa kanya. Ganyan na lang ba talaga palagi? Makakalimutan ko na yung sarili ko? Kahit ngayong taon man lang, huwag ako maging selfish. Tomorrow will just be a memory, and then I will look back at all of this. Gustuhin ko man lagyan ng mangga. Pero lahat na lang ba ibibigay ko sa kanya? Pero si Jaren yan eh, kaya kahit 1 kilong mangga, ilalagay natin yan! Let's look at Say what? Say what? Yanan. Tama na, te. Sobrang dami na nating nagawa. Kakahintay ng matunaw tong Biscoff na to. Oh, tunaw na siya! Oh my gosh! 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 Wait, kailangan ko ng ano. Where's the spoon? The spoon! The spoon! The spoon! Ate, parang di kakayanin. Feeling ko nasa Junior's Master Chef ako tapos nag-time. So like, I need to have a second plan. And the second plan is, I will microwave it. I will microwave it. Chef Gordon, wait. Okay. Just wait, Chef. Mi, grabe yung mango graham mo, 1 hour ginawa. Pakay mo. But this is made with love. Mi, sasabog. Gaganon na lang ako pagsasabog, oh. Don't cover it, hold! Don't cover it! Baliw na siya. OMG! OMG! Let's drizzle it! Go! Parang ang pangit ng pagka-drizzle, bakla. Parang hindi to hindi siya appetizing. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ending fairy. Ganon. Na may kasamang sipon. Look! Wait. Dapat magandang ano. Wait.
Hey travelers, welcome to recommendation that's...
May I present to you the Garnier Delights Mango Biscoff Lotus Graham Overload Caramelized Realness. This is made with a layered mango graham Biscoff Lotus with a caramelized Biscoff on top. Mi, bakit may gravy? Anong gravy, te? Lotus yan! Palibhasa kasi. Wala kayong ganto. Gravy. Ano to? Manok? Ano to, Jollibee? Mga bata! Presenting the Garnier Mango Graham Biscuit Lotus Float with gravy on top. Sa Jollibee na tayo, delicious sa saya. Sa Jollibee na tayo, wala nang iba. Sa Jollibee, dito ang saya. Lastly, i-close natin siya.
Saya't sarap, sige na, sayaw na.
Labas lahat ng bibig, ang sayaw sa tuwa. Tingnan ang piling, kapag tila ang saya. Dito tayo, silensyo sa tawa. Sa Jollibee na tayo, silensyo sa saya. Sa Jollibee na
Mahulog to. Ikaw pala yung nahulog sa maling tao. Eh. Okay, and last but not the least, we will apply the foil method. Okay? The foil method. Finally, after how many hours? 2 hours? Nakagawa na tayo ng ating first batch. Oh. Mango, Graham, Jarnier Delights, Biscoff, Lotus Caramelized Overload. At ipasok na natin sa microwave. Charing. I-freeze mo yan, bakla. I-freeze mo yan. Paano to? Oh, in the freezer. Oh, I see. Okay, dahil tapos na yung ginawa natin para kay Jared, gawin na natin yung sa atin. Mga 6 AM pa tayo matatapos dito, te. Jared, ganyan kita kamahal, ah. Hinuli ko yung sa akin, ha? Hinuli ko yung sa akin. Ngayon pa tayo gagawa ng ating sariling Mango Graham na may kasamang singhot. Okay. Tara na, gawin na natin yan. Bakla, dahil ganito may 30 minutes na lang akong natira na gawin siya. Kaya, walang tulugan to, te. Yes. Galing naman sumayaw nung nakaitim sa likod mo. Ay, wala akong pake. Baka gusto mo ba ng Mango Graham? Wala bang Mango Graham sa Imperno? Tsareng. Okay, let's start it again by... Ano? Parang ang pangit gumawa ng walang poging kasama. No? Parang... ang boring, walang poging kasama. Ganto na to? Ito na yun? Mi, kami kasama mo, Mi. Ay, hindi. At dahil dyan, we have our next guest for tonight. Brett Manalo! Charis. Charis lang. At dahil dyan, te, alas 3 na, magre-relapse na tayo. Ihanda ang Grahams at i-dip mo siya dito sa evaporada. Ako yung kakain nito, ah. Huwag kayong mang-judge. Wait lang. Kalimutan ko maghugas ng kamay. Tapos, ilalagay mo siya dito, malamang. Lagay mo lang lahat. Bigay mo lahat. Tapos, ano, mas masarap kasi pag idip mo sa evaporada, lasang mga magagandang alaala.
Kasiyahan, kalungkutan, aking iaalay, ang himig na gawa sa
Ayan, perfect na siya. After na to, lagyan mo na ng cream. Rinig mo yan? Relate. Lagyan mo ng mangga. Be, sobrang bigat na. Ilagay mo yun lahat. Bigay mo lahat. Kung sa wala na matira sa'yo. Ate, sobrang dami. Look. Sabayan nyo na lang ako hanggang sa matapos ko. Ganyan naman kayo eh. Nag-join kayo pag andun sa Jaren, pero pag wala, umaalis na kayo. Lahat na lang iniiwan na kayo. Okay lang. Since puno na siya, puno na din ako. Puno na din ako sa'yo. Lagyan na natin ng biscuit. Basta mapapatanong ka na lang na,
Oo nga pala,
hindi nga pala tayo.
hanggang dito lang ako. Nangangarap na makasayo.
Sarap!
Hindi sinasadya.
Sarap! Ang sarap!
Nahanapin pa ang lugar ko. Asan nga ba ako? Andyan pa ba sa iyo?
Asan ba ko sa'yo? Aasa ba ko sa'yo?
Sumusuka ako. Kinakain na ang buo. Sakit na mga tuhod. Kailangan bang lumuhod?
Lumuhod naman ako ah. Sorry, mali pala. Ayan. Nandito. Habang gumagawa tayo, cheers. Sir. Yung mga times talaga na mapapatanong ka na lang habang gumagawa ka ng mango float. Aasa ba ako sa'yo? Makakain. Oo nga pala. Hindi nga pala tayo.
Hanggang dito na lang ako.
Hanggang dito na lang ang mangga ko.
Nahihilito.
Inubos mo na, Jaren. Sareng.
Asan ba sa'yo? Asan ba sa'yo? Nahihilito. Asan ba sa'yo? Asan ba sa'yo?
Parang pumapangit na siya. Pwede na yan ilagay sa ref. Bakla excited ka. Yes! It's Leah. Tapos lagyan mo na ulit ng graham crackers. Lagay mo na lang lahat ng ingredients. DIY na lang yan. Totoo, decorate it yourself na lang, bakla.
Nalangin ko sa habang buhay, makapiling ka, makasama ka, yan ang panalangin ko. At hindi papayag ang pusong ito, mawala ka sa aking piling, mahal ko iyong dinggin.
Naalala ko lang na nag-greet siya sa akin ng Happy New Year.
Mas mahalaga sa tamis na tulad ng
Tamis?
pag-ibig
Ah.
nating dalawa. Sana naman makikinig ka kapag aking sasabihin, minamahal kita.
Hindi ka ba makaka-copyright? I-try mo lang. Try mo lang TikTok.
Sa habang buhay, makapiling ka, makasama ka, yan ang panalangin ko. At hindi papayag ang pusong ito.
Kilig na may kasamang singhot.
Ka sa aking piling, mahal ko iyong dinggin. At wala nang ibang
Nakakilig. Sanitize ko muna yung ano ko. Charing. Dalawa. Parang tayo lang oh. Dikit sa isa't isa.
Pag-aking sasabihin, minamahal kita. Panalangin ko sa habang buhay, makapiling ka,
Tas last, lagyan natin ng malapot na gatas. Ba't ngayon kapag gumawa, bakla? Ate, nagkaubusan nga ng Grahams nung ano, 'di ba? Nung New Year, bakla. Nagkaubusan ng Graham. Kaya wala akong ma-order na Grahams. Ngayon is hindi na nagka-mango Graham na lahat. It's my time to shine. Kaya gumawa ako ng mango Graham kasi wala akong ma-order kahit saan, kahit sa Grab, kahit pumunta na ako ng iba't ibang supermarket, bakla, wala silang Graham. Buti na talaga pinadala na ako ni Mama Rangke at bago pa mabulok ang aking mga mangga, nakagawa tayo. It's better late than never. Kanina kapag gumagawa niyan, para na sa akin to, te. Can we discuss ulit? Hey, Alexa. Tapos, ano lang natin, sabi ni Jaren, we'll make it crumbs, okay? We'll crumbify it. Diba? Gusto ko mag-relax ngayon, bakla. Iba. Sorry muna sa'yo, Junielski. Ano muna tayo? Magre-relapse muna tayo, okay? Ayoko na! Ayoko na! Charis. Cooking mama si ate ko. Yes!
Sigaw ng puso, laliham na ang sinulat sa'yo. Luluhanin ang natuyo.
Ate, ihanda mo na yung Biscoff mo kasi madali siyang mag-set. Madali siyang mag-set. Madali siyang mag-settle sa iba. Okay, pwede na. Okay na. Parang may halong galit naman yun. Ang dami niyan, ni. O bakit? Kami-kami yung kakain dito eh. Tayo. Ima-microwave mo lang siya hanggang sa lumambot na ulit siya. May pag-asa pa. Tapos mag-relax ka lang. I-pour mo siya dyan. Bakla, wait. Kasi medyo kailangan natin ng seryosong ano nito. Bakit ko nilagyan ng cream? Ano ba yan? Pangit na tuloy. Para na siyang ano. Yes. Wait lang. Iba to ha. Ibang recipe to.
Muling natatamasa. Ikaw ay makasama.
Sabay tayong kakanta.
Kailan kita muling mararanasan. Sa pagdilat ng mata.
Mag-add ka ulit.
Ika'y hindi lang alaala.
Yung sakto lang.
Suspended in the air, I hear myself breathing. Hanging by a thread, my heart is barely beating. I haven't fallen yet, but I feel it coming. Tell me what it be
Dito lang ako sa gilid ng kusina nagtatampo.
to me gently that I'll wake up the next day without you beside me. And who I hold on to today, tomorrow will just
Aray, init. Aray.
and then I
Second layer.
will look back at
Last na to.
this and wonder why I stayed in here just to watch you disappear. So
Wala kayong pake kung super tamis. Kasi sweet tooth ako.
how do I breathe and let you go?
Hala, ang sarap. In fairness naman. Hindi to tamang tamis lang to guys. Kasi yung condense at yung cream, hindi siya masyado matamis. Kasi sobrang daming cream. 4 na cream yung nilagay ko, tas onting condense lang.
So I'll just shut my eyes.
And then, ilalagay mo na
How do you
ang
from making when you're home and then just
final touches. Anong rasma float kayo? Bakla kayo? Bababoy niyo, ate. Di ganon. After you put Biscoff layering, we will put final. Gusto ko dito lang sa gilid para atake siya. Mi, wifey material ka na, di ba? Sabi ko naman sa'yo, wifey eh. Dito lang, para sakto lang. Gilid-gilid lang. Atake! Uy, atake siya. Aminin nyo. Me, pang best culinary in the world. Actually, I graduated cylinder. Uy, aminin nyo lang. Aminin nyo lang, sobrang sarap. Ay! Wala nating mangga, inubos na ni Jaren. Pero, look! Ba't ang bilis naman? Ganyan talaga pag walang pogi, nagagawa mo ng mabilis yung mga trabaho. Kaya, lesson of the day, wag ka mapadala sa pogi kasi nadidistract ka lang. Look! May I present to you the Rasma Float. The Precious Delights, the mango float, graham, tapioca, biscoff with a caramelized lotus biscoff on top and a cherry on top. I'm a sight for sorry eyes when looking you're paralyzed. I said in the disco light, I can do this all my life. Cinnamon swirl, twirl, not your average girl. Get your cultured pearls, cause you know who run the world. May parang semento float yan. Bakla. Ganyan talaga yan, basta mga ganyan talaga basta mga bitter, mga ate, nagutom lang talaga kayo. Wag na kayong paeme. Nag lang talaga kayo, te. Na, you're just jealous. Alexa, can you help me cut this? Alexa? Please? Thank you so much. Can you hear? Thank you so much. Wait. Presenting Precious Delights Mango Biscoff Graham Overload Lotus with a caramelized Biscoff smooth sugar glaze on top. We'll put it in the freezer. Kaya mga mommies, ano pang hinihintay nyo? In just 3 easy steps, makakagawa na kayo ng dessert na magugustuhan ni baby. Kaya what are you waiting for? Go grab and make your Mango Graham Biscoff Overload Lotus Biscuit Sugar Glaze on top. And mga mommies, ilalagay po natin siya dyan sa ating refrigerator. Hala. Tanong, pwede ba to? And pagising ko mamaya, okay na siya! Thank you so much, guys. Grabe yun. I had fun making it and grabe! Hindi talaga kayo natulog! Oh my gosh. I think you love me so much na hindi kayo natulog. Okay, next group na. Finally, after 3 hours, natapos na tayong gumawa ng 2 batch lang. Nang akala mo naman talaga sobrang dami mong ginawang paklita ka. So yeah, I'm gonna clean. But thank you so much po sa lahat ng mga nag-join, sa lahat ng mga nag-send. Uy, nakita ko kanina yung mga ni Jaren, nagsasend pa kayo ng gift sa akin. Huwag na, guys. Maraming salamat po. Tsaka, kay Mama Mel Cheese, thank you so much. Hoy, sa mga nag-comment, kahit dinodog show niyo ako dito. Maraming salamat for joining me. I love it. And update ko lang kayo sa kung ano yung maging result ng ating Mango Graham Biscoff Overload with sugar glaze on top. Feeling ko sobrang tamis nung sa akin, pero yung kina Jaren is hindi matamis. Masyado. At sakto lang. Parang mafo-fall yung kuya niyo sa akin. Chares! Guys, good night and goodbye. Thank you, Rico. Salamat. Sa ating mga top gifters, maraming salamat po kay RM, kay Gael. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye! And I'm gonna sleep na. Yun lang. Gumising lang ako at gumawa ng mango float at matutulog ulit siya. Bye po. Bye-bye. Bye. This is Precious Cooks. And see you on the next Cooks. Bye.